Good morning and welcome back to Going Solo Diaries. Today's fit might just be my favorite thing that I've ever put on in my life. We've got this white little pullover from Shein. It's got this kind of like waffle knit pattern. And then my pants are from Lululemon. Yesterday I did all my fall shopping, so if you haven't seen that video already, what are you doing? Go watch my fall decor shopping video because I got a lot of good stuff. Y'all are gonna wanna see it. So today at 11:30, I'm going to be meeting up with 3 of my girlfriends that I met here at college. This is my 3rd week of college, by the way. And I've made some of the sweetest friends. So we have been doing little activities together. I've been to a lantern festival here. We went floating on the Boise River. However, we're not skiing or snowboarding, and there's no snow on the mountain right now because it's September. But I saw online a couple weeks ago that they were having a free event where there's gonna be classical music. You can bring a picnic blanket, bring your own food and all that stuff. So I texted them and told them we should totally do this. So here we are today, and yeah, we're about to go. Also, I wore lashes for the first time in like 5 ever. It's so weird having them on again. So I drank my morning tea already, so I'm gonna wash this in a second. In my fall haul, I got these pumpkin macaroons, and I'm gonna bring these today. But I also told the girls that I'm gonna make sandwiches and stuff, so let's do that right now. Options for sandwiches are the following. We've got Cheesecake Factory bread, best bread ever, some medium cheddar cheese, Applegate smoked turkey breast, lettuce, and a pickle on the side for anybody who likes pickles. So I texted our group chat and I'm gonna make their sandwiches according to what they said. I only have 1 more piece of turkey. I'm gonna have to run to the store really quick and get that. But I have these cute little fall bags I'm gonna put the sandwiches in. I might have to cut them though. I've never sprinted in my car so fast in my life. It's 11:06 and I'm meeting them at 11:30, and I literally have to go get meat, run back home, finish the sandwiches, and then pack up all my stuff. But it's okay. Better to be late than mess up the sandwiches. Turkey has been secured. Okay, we gotta hustle, baby. Okay, I'm gonna be taking this tote bag with me. It's from Princess Polly. 1, 2, 3, 4 sandwiches, 2 pickles, a bowl of strawberries, and macaroons. As for my drink, I'm gonna bring my orange hydro flask, but I'm gonna fill that up with water really quickly. Just got to the parking garage.
We're so happy to be here performing for you on this beautiful afternoon and in this beautiful setting.
I just got back home from being out with my friends. Such a fun day. It was literally the best. The classical music was top tier. And then after we rode the roller coaster on Bogus Basin, which was so much fun. Next time my boyfriend comes up here, I'm definitely taking him on that. But now I thought that I would decorate my house for fall. So I got all of my decorations right here. And yeah, we're just gonna start decorating. Let's do this. Okay, so I've got 8 of these placemats and I need to take the tags off so that I can put them on my table. Then on top of that, I'm gonna put my big candle from Sand and Fog. This is an Autumn Harvest scent. So good, cannot wait to light this. This is what the dining table looks like right now. I'm not sure if I wanna keep these placemats on the ends out, just because it kind of overlaps. So I might take these out and just leave the 6 there. But now I'm thinking I wanna do my coffee table piece. So I've got these autumn clothes that I need to move out. Currently on the coffee table, I've got this autumn puzzle and then my new remote control console box. I also have these shelves here. I just honestly have not touched this at all or this shelf because that's gonna be going downstairs. Good morning and happy Sunday. I just went to church and then after I got some groceries at Trader Joe's and look at how beautiful this bouquet of flowers is. Okay, let's go inside. This is kind of heavy. I think it's only right that I do a Trader Joe's haul. So first, beautiful orange roses. Tonight I am hosting a little girls' night at my house with the people that you saw earlier today. They're coming over at 5:30. We're having tacos and then we're gonna do homework after. So I got a couple things for that. Trader Joe's had pumpkins out, you guys. They had all of their fall stuff, so I got some stuff. This is a classic staple of theirs. I've gotten this 3 years in a row. Best pumpkin bread ever. They also make really good pumpkin muffins as well. Then I got some butter lettuce. They didn't have shredded lettuce, so I think I'm just gonna like cut this up into smaller pieces, but this is gonna be for the tacos. Then I got some taco seasoning mix, everything bagels, spaghetti squash nests, the best spinach tortellini ever, low sodium tomato soup. If y'all are gonna get anything from Trader Joe's, get this. This is the soyaki sauce. This is perfect to marinate your fish, your meat, chicken, and just eat it with vegetables. It's amazing. Garden vegetable soup. I'm gonna totally butcher this, but whatever the name of this sauce is, I made it with that spinach tortellini. Best dinner ever, literally. Got some wheat, corn, and flour tortillas for tonight's tacos. Some turkey meatballs. 1 pound of ground beef for the tacos tonight. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this one. This is honey roasted pumpkin ravioli. Yum. And then last but not least, I got some chicken breasts. They're thin sliced, which is like the best. That is my Trader Joe's haul. I'm going to put all this away and I forgot to put out my fall doormat, so we're gonna do that. Don't ask me why I'm here right now. Okay, so I may or may not have just bought more fall decor, but can you judge me? It was literally so cute. So yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond, I love y'all so much. Oh, and thank you for all the good deals, because I only spent $50 today, which I know sounds like a lot, but for the stuff that I got, you should have seen the original prices. Okay, now I can't wait to put this all in my house. All right, just got home from running to Bed Bath & Beyond, and this is what I'm thinking as for where I want everything to go. I have a good feeling that if I put this little fall decor piece up there, it'll look good, because I have a sign up there, but I don't have anything on this side. Obviously, my mug is gonna go in my mug collection. I'm kind of a little disorganized right now though, so we'll fix that later. I think I'm gonna put this pumpkin in the guest bedroom. I would put it in my bedroom, but I literally don't have any furniture, so it's definitely gonna go in there. And then my wreath, I need to get a wreath holder to put on my door. I'm also thinking maybe I could put it up there behind that fall market sign and make it look all cute and stuff. But look at how cute this is. This is exactly what I envisioned whenever I was thinking of getting a wreath. I went to Michael's and Hobby Lobby. There were really cute ones, but this one just caught my eye because it has all the colors and designs that I love. I want to show y'all my doormat though. This is what it looks like. I'm obsessed. It's too big. I don't know what to put here. Maybe I'll put... Let me think. Okay, I think I've decided this is where I want to keep this decor. Obviously, this shelf is not going to be here. It's just too heavy to move right now. So once Drew comes here, he's going to move this into my room, and then hopefully we can finally get this hung up, because this has been driving me crazy. It's just sitting here collecting dust. And like I've said, that's gonna go on that wall. So I've got the pumpkin and then this garland decor from Home Goods. I'm gonna go downstairs, see if I can put it anywhere that would look good. Probably not here, because this is my workout area. I don't know, I wish I could decorate my room right now, but there's just no furniture for me to hang anything. Like, that painting still isn't even hung up. Eventually though, I do want to get a little table for this corner, so I might do that. For the guest bedroom, I'm gonna put this pumpkin on the nightstand, so this tissue can go down there. And then we'll move this lamp over. That's gonna be set for the guest bedroom. I just have no idea what to do with this. Part of me wants to do a little decor thing up there, and then another part of me is thinking maybe I should put it here. Okay, this could totally look like crap. So I put it on the stairwell, but facing this way. That way, whenever the guests come, they can see this little decor. I don't know if I love it, but I honestly have no idea where to put this. I ended up finding 2 pieces of decor from my house back in Texas. There was this super cute long pillow, so I found that, put that on the bed, and then I also found this really cute fall blanket that's from Home Goods. So the pillow and the blanket are both from Home Goods, for anybody wondering. Hello guys, so there is currently a storm going on. It's so peaceful, I love it. But I'm gonna end the video here, so if you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. Thank you so much for being here, for going solo diaries. I can't believe there's about to be a huge clap of thunder. Let me see if y'all can hear it. So anyways, if you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.